Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get microphone icon back on your iPhone keyboard. So, if you have noticed that the microphone button used for voice typing or dictation is missing from your keyboard, don't worry. There's a simple fix and I will get you through the entire process. So, let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and go to your setting apps. That's the gray gear icon on your home screen. Once you are in settings, scroll down and tap on general. Now inside the general setting, look for and tap on keyboard. Scroll down. Here, make sure the options enable dictation is turned on. And tap on enable dictation. Also, if you are using multiple keyboards or a different language, make sure that dictation is supported for that language. You can do this by tapping keyboards, then tap add new keyboard, and selecting the one that supports dictation like English or US. Now, let's test it out. Open up any app where you can type, like Message, Notes, Safari, or WhatsApp. Tap on a text field to bring up your keyboard, and you should now see the microphone icon on the bottom right or left or next to the spacebar, depending on your keyboard layout. Tap the microphone icon and start speaking to see your words turn into text automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to enable the microphone icon on your iPhone keyboard for voice typing. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.